let us learn some more interesting facts about India. You should know what is meant by peninsula. A piece of land surrounded by three-side water is called peninsula. Do you think India is a peninsula? Yes, India is a peninsula because India is surrounded by three-side water. On the southwest, Arabian Sea. On the south, Indian Ocean. And southeast, Bay of Bengal. As India is surrounded three-side water, India is called peninsula. Now, what is the distance from north to south of India? What is the distance from north to south of India? 3,214 kilometers. What is the distance from west to east of India? What is the distance from west to east of India? 2,933 kilometers. What is the length of the coastal frontier? What is the length of the coastal frontier? First of all, you should know the meaning of frontier. Frontier means boundary. Coastal frontier means the boundary line which is near to sea is called coastal frontier. The length of the coastal frontier is 7,516.6 kilometers. What is the length of the land frontier? Land frontier means the boundary line which is near to land is called land frontier. The length of the land frontier is 50,200 kilometers. What are the neighboring countries shares the boundary line with India? What are the neighboring countries shares the boundary line with India? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh shares the boundary line with India. Which country shares the longest boundary line with India? Is none other than Bangladesh. It shares boundary line with India is 4,096 kilometers. Which is the neighboring country located across Indian Ocean? Sri Lanka. It is also called teardrop of Indian Ocean. Nepal is called Himalayan Kingdom. How many coastal states are there in the country? How many coastal states are there in the country? 9. What are they? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. On the east side, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. Totally, there are 9 coastal states in our country. Which states stands on 3 seas? Tamil Nadu stands on 3 seas. Which place in Tamil Nadu stands on 3 seas? Kanyakumari. Other name of Kanyakumari is Cape Comorin. Stands on 3 seas. How many states and union territories are divided in India? India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. The largest state in India, area-wise, is Rajasthan. Smallest state in India, area-wise, is Goa. Largest union territory in India, area-wise, is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The smallest union territory in India is Lakshadweep Island. Now come to know about the location of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh located between 12 degree 4 minutes north latitude and 19 degree 7 minutes north latitude. Andhra Pradesh located between 77 degree east longitude and 84 degree 46 minutes east longitude. Andhra Pradesh is located between 12 degree 4 minutes north latitude and 19 degree 7 minutes north latitude. Andhra Pradesh located between 77 degree east longitude and 84 degree 46 minutes east longitude. Andhra Pradesh located in southern eastern part of our country. The length of the Andhra Pradesh coastline is 972 kilometers. The length of the Andhra Pradesh coastline is 972 kilometers. The capital of our country is New Delhi. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is the new capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. Let us discuss about the Indira Point. Indira Point lies in Great Nicobar Island. The specialty about Indira Point is the southern tip of India. The southern tip of India is Indira Point, located Great Nicobar Island. Unfortunately, it washed away in 2004 tsunami. The other name for Indira Point is Pygmalion Point. After death of Indira Gandhi, in the honor of Indira Gandhi, they named this point as Indira Point. But today it is washed away. It is the southern tip of India. It has a Great Nicobar Island. You may have a doubt. Sir, when Indira Point washed away, what is the southern tip of India? Great Nicobar Island is the southern tip of India. Now, other one question. In India, we can see different kinds of vegetations, life forms, along with the advantage of many crops. How it is possible? How means India has a vast geographical location. India has a vast geographical location, provide different climatic conditions. So only India has different types of vegetation, life forms, along with advantage of many crops. India's long coastal line enabled for fishing and trading. Really, okay, it's very fortunate to say, it is very, we say that we are lucky to have very long coastal line. If any country want to develop economically, then the country should do export and import. If the country want to export and import, then the country need coastal line. But our India has long coastal line. Due to having this long coastal line, India is able to do export import well. If any country want to develop, the country should do export and import. If the country want to do export and import, then the country should have coastal line. Luckily, India has a long coastal line. Our India is doing more export import, so India is growing economically. Yes, India's long coastal line. This coastal line enables for fishing as well as for trading to develop our India economically. Which state stands first in the longest coastal line means Gujarat. Gujarat stands first in having the longest coastal line. Which state stands second in having second longest coastal line means Andhra Pradesh. The length of the Andhra Pradesh coastal line is 972 kilometers. I hope you understood, children. Thank you.